Alright you guys, today we are at the Sakon Nakhon Fresh Bypass Market. Always an interesting place. Everything changes by season, so I don't know what we're gonna find in here. Last time I was here I bought a baby turtle and I released it in our pond. But anyway, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna take you guys with us, see what we can find. Always interesting place. And I'm a little bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna get some food.
The snails. Look at those big snails, guys. Buffalo skin and dry mushroom.
Oh, this is the snakehead that we had in our tank.
Oh yes, that's right. Did we remove it?
Yeah.
It's really pretty color. Wow.
So those are two types of snakehead in there. We actually had a small one of this. It's called a forest snakehead. The other one is just a normal one, but this one is a bit different. We had to remove it because it was eating all of our other fish. So it's a learning curve. They have
Ducks and pigeons. There's a turtle here. There's some more turtles over there. This is the same turtles that we had. I mean, that we let it go.
And that is
Sauces, different type of sauces.
what is your dog doing?
Crab.
Clams?
Look like a white heron, I think. There's small eggs over here. And she has these cicada bugs. That they didn't have wings yet. They're still in mold, has some mold. And those are Lotus fruit. Do you know it's like a lotus flowers and then the petals fell off, and then this is the fruit that they provide inside, and then we eat these little buttons here and then peel it open, and it tastes just like water chestnut, but Okay, so I think we're all done.
Yeah, you guys, you know, these markets are based on seasons, so it wasn't super interesting. They had some stuff there, but like I said, it just depends what time of the year. And when we go shopping at all these markets, we shop for ourselves, but we also shop for our animals. I get a lot of my fish food, my tortoise food. I get the emu food. We get the morning glories and all that stuff. So it's kind of shopping for everybody in the family. But we got some dinner tonight and stuff. So that is it. Bypass Market. Okay, so Apple, where are we at right now?
We are at Nong Han Viewpoint.
Okay, so we had to go make a quick trip to immigration in Nakhon Phanom. And if you look behind us, it's a long platform, like walkway, and it's lotus and all sorts of stuff. It's a huge water area. So we just came to check it out. I've never been here before. I don't know, have you been here before?
One time.
One time. Okay, but anyway, we found a snake. So check this out, you guys. So as we were walking towards this tree, Apple and I actually both noticed it almost at the exact same time. There is a flying snake in this tree. And I'll see if I can zoom in for you guys. Right there, Chrysopelea ornata. And he is awake and he's kind of watching us. His head is swiveling around. So that is really cool.
That is so cool.